Hey guys, how's it going? Hope you're having a good day. This video is going to be, and I should have stayed right where it was, transplanting that Hydrangea Standard right there. That's a phantom variety, Hydrangea Standard panicle. And I'm going to be transplanting it, and I'm moving it. Already got the hole dug. Already have the biotone starter fertilizer. And this hole right here, I may wind up having to move the Millennium and the sedum there, but right now I'm going to put it right there because it's a standard. So I may not have to move them, but we'll see. So that's today's video. This being the 21st, either today or tomorrow is supposed to be the first autumn equinox. And the last few days, it's felt like fall here in Northeast Ohio. And then, of course, today, when I get ready to do this, we have that southern heat blowing back up, humidity and stuff. It's weird. I can hear in Northeast Ohio, where I live, I can tell when wind is out of the north or out of the south, just by the feel of the air. All right, let's see how difficult this is going to be. Oh, that feels like there's a big root right there. Well, this may not be so easy. Holy cow. It's planted here under this Crimson King. Not under it, but close enough that these maples, and personally, what with the little helicopter seeds and then their root system, I personally won't be planting any more. Well, I shouldn't say I won't be. I do not intend to ever plant a maple or an oak tree unless I have a big lot where I can plant those suckers out by themselves. Because their root systems, both the maples and the oaks, and then you got the maples with those little seed things. All right, this is much more of a job than I anticipated it being. Man, there are heavy-duty roots around this thing. Ooh, doggies. I was noticing that the earlier today, and yesterday too, actually, that the trees here in Northeast Ohio are starting to change some colors, especially the honey locust. Honey locust, pretty much, most of them are already yellow. So that means in a couple of weeks they'll be dropping those leaves. All right, this is definitely rooted itself in here very well. Starting to be concerned about moving it. Wow. Good sharp shovels handy. Well, I'm sure that you can hear all those roots. Holy cow. All right. This is getting me. Another one of those projects that I did not intend to take that long. All right. I think that's it. Maybe. Woo. Nope. That's it, I think. Yeah. To the job at hand. A little weeding here. Let's see. I have to dig out a little bit more soil here. It fell back in the hole. Get my shovel and dig it a little deeper here. I think it's going to like it a lot better here too, because it'll get more sun for one. Two, doesn't have to compete with that Crimson King maple for all the water. And maples are water hogs. Moving the clay and shell from the hole. All right, let's try it again. Holy cow. Let's see. There we go. I'm thinking maybe that's it right there. We'll see how we do. Oh man, this got me. Whew, more weeds. Actually, it's just grass. All right, guys. Looking good. Can't really tell about it's tilting or anything, but till I stand up and look at it. But I think it's in here pretty good. Like I said, I think it's going to like this spot better than where it was because it won't have to compete with that Prince and King for the water. And I think it needs to be stood up a little bit better this way. But I think, and plus it'll get more sun right here, which I think is going to make this do mucho better right here. I was planting 15 bulbs, Dutch Master daffodil bulbs in this bed yesterday. And I had the holes already dug, and I got over here and I could only find 14. Right here's number 15. Right here in plain sight. I don't know how I missed that. Guess I, is what it is. All right, guys. Yeah, it's tilted a little bit toward the driveway. I'll have to stand it up, pull it a little south. Not much, though. It's pretty good. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Boy, it really looks like it's leaning there from this angle. Let's see something here. If that's better. That's better, but it's still leaning pretty good. I'll get that straightened up. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please hit the